The first goal for you, work on the paper assigned by me with your team member, the final project, right? And then show what kind of result is, the ideal system, and how the ideal system is addressed. So we have the two points for the mission. So prepare this for 8 minutes first. 8 minutes first. And later, once finished, you can upload some description to Padlet. Of course, mention who is your team member. All right? So 8 minutes later, mention this. And the second part, I ask you to use the paper to have the presentation. So later, another activity, I will ask you to prepare 3 to 4 page slides. And so that you can have the preparation to have the presentation. And also, I tell you have the hyperlink. Wait a moment. So Jen working for himself. Jen. Oh, okay, I remember. Maybe Jen working for himself. Yeah, maybe. Jai. Single one to serve as a team member.
跟他一起。
他先前有找人吗？可以啊。那个 Jane 是跟他自己吗 ？OK， 好。So for our current activity, I assign the paper to you, and you use it to serve as a topic. And later, I will ask you to have the presentation for sure. So that this is somewhat like you have the feeling to have the oral presentation, some preparation. But finally, you will have your own topic for the final project. So Andrew, for you, it should be paper 4. Yeah, paper 4 working with Thomas, right? Okay, sure. So later, don't forget, you need to mention which case or which paper first. So you can contact Thomas, right?
Okay.
Oh, sure.
I have this one.
Sure. So this is the first activity. Check the system or idea, and the next one check how it works.
Oh, so I summarize the paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
But later, the second activity, I will ask you to have the slides, 3 to 4 page slides, and you need to have the presentation. Yeah. So two separate activities, but related to the same one. So you need to mention which paper. For example, J, you mentioned paper 2, right? So paper 2, team member, therefore you have the system or idea and how it is addressed. After this, then you can continue to prepare the slides. Someone like, oh, okay, I want to have the briefing to the case or the paper. And it's time for this, I think I just want to collect your results simply, because later we have the second activity to have the presentation. About the presentation, then you need to select one of your members to have the presentation for the next activity. This is the first activity. Later we will have the second activity. Well, so right now, if you are ready, then you have 3 minutes to upload your results. So maybe you can send a message to
We are on
Jane.
case 74.
Jane.
And we need to basically summarize like what's the core idea of it, or how is it
Okay. All right, no problem. So try to finish this first. Your results for the current activity to have the summary. Summary about the system or idea or proposal and how it is addressed. So let me check one by one. For team William, finish?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can upload these. And Jay, finish? Okay, sure, you can upload. And Ma, I call you Ma, it's okay. Finish it? Okay. Get it done soon. And Alex? Okay, so once finished, then you can upload your results to have, oh, okay. William, okay, Alice. And Winnie, sure. And Andrew. And Gareth. So to mention case study or paper 2, and here, this is the title, so team member, and system proposal, and here the idea, right? And for J, it's true, paper 2, and talking about this, okay, so some detail, all right, that's okay. So right now, for example, for the 2 teams, right now you can prepare the slides. Later, I will ask you to have 3 to 4 page slides. Right now, I don't show that one for you, but I will let you know that one soon. And here we have this one. So paper 4. Okay, but why I cannot tell you? Why its name? So you can have the detail and so that and mean, right? Team member here, okay, fine. So for the current 4 teams, actually you can focus on current 4. Yeah, but why? I cannot see the result from William. You withdraw and then you want to post it again. Okay, fine. Agile, who is Agile? Oh, okay, you. Sorry. Your ID different from your name. So where is the result from Alex? Okay, fine. And results from Gareth, Andrew. And also result from Jane. Maybe Jane on the internet, but Jane, can you hear me? If yes, then you need to post your results. So we lose the connection with the Jane for a long time. So anyone, if you can let Jane know, you just let him know. And So I move on to the next one, and so they will know, okay, it should be that result.